Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to the Naamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make fried mini pizza. This is very easy to make and it turned out so delicious. It's yumicious. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and stir those ingredients together till well combined. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. After everything has come together, grate a well in the middle and add an egg, sunflower oil, you can use any oil of your choice, milk, and stir this together till well combined until it forms a dough. So once it has formed a dough, I transferred mine on my working surface and I knead it for about 5 minutes. You can also knead it in the bowl as well once you are comfortable with that. So I'll work with the dough for about 5 minutes. The dough shouldn't be sticky at all. It should be in between. So please make sure you have time for the dough and knead it for 4 to 5 minutes should be fine. So this should be the consistency. It shouldn't be sticky at all. I then placed it back in the same bowl, covered it with a kitchen napkin, and then set it aside to rest for 10 minutes. So whilst it's resting, let's prepare the sauce. The sauce I'm using the already made tomato sauce. I added in dried oregano and Italian salami. The last ingredient that I'll add to it is chili powder. If you are not a chili lover, you can always remove that out or you don't add it if you don't like chili. But I prefer adding in chili, so it gives it that kind of hotness. It's very nice. So after that, go ahead and preheat your oil. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on your wet surface. Transfer the dough on it. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on it without exaggerating. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on the dough and then roll it. The thickness should be around 4 to 5 millimeters. It shouldn't be that thin and it shouldn't be too thick as well. So I use a scone cutter to cut a circle shape as demonstrated in the video, and then I took off the excess dough. So guys, once you are done, the sauce that we made earlier on, put some about a teaspoon in the middle of the dough as demonstrated in the video, and then in some parts I use cheese as well. So you can use only cheese or tomatoes with cheese or only tomatoes. So I did my only tomatoes. Some are only tomatoes and some are only cheese. So what you have to do is to brush the edge with water, press it a little bit, press it for it to seal well with the fork, and then when done, shape it well. This is very easy. If you don't understand, please watch the video carefully and then follow the procedure. So when done, go ahead and fry these bad boys. Basically, it's very simple. This is a simple recipe. It's simple. You need few ingredients for this recipe and you're good to go. So I use grated cheese, but you can use mozzarella cheese as well. Instead of the tomato sauce, you can use any sauce of your choice. You can add in any protein of your choice. And guys, just look at it. Please stay close to it and keep stirring until it slightly turns to golden brown color. Please make sure you don't put your fire on medium high. At least lower it a bit, if not it could brown quickly and then the inside wouldn't be cooked. So make sure you set your fire on medium low and then let it cook slowly until you get to this point. And trust me, this is delicious. Your kids, your guests, your family, they are all going to fall in love with this amazing recipe. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. If you like this recipe, why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at it. This is beautiful. Not just beautiful, it's delicious as well. This is yummicious. The feeling alone will take you to heaven, guys. Try it. You don't know what you're missing. Try it and let me know how it turned out. And this is also with the cheese. Just look at it, guys. See you till then. Bye.